New sound system time.
I guess.
For that to get out.
Yeah, you know, for this. No. Oh, that.
It doesn't fall off.
Magnat. Quality, I tell ya.
Yeah.
Come on. It doesn't want to go out.
Well, push.
Oh! Yeah.
Coming out.
Oh, it's a boy. The twinge. Ah. Wow. Nice. JBL GX series. Sexy.
Wonderful.
Let's see that. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Too bad we don't have a screwdriver because it could be a parking lot replacing job. But we don't have anything.
Yeah, I think this is much better than the stock ones. I would prefer them to be Alpine, but okay. Oh, look at that beauty.
Oh.
Oh yeah, son. Look at that. Look at that.
No need for the cover, really.
Yeah, I think I'll keep it. No, I won't because it won't
because
fit
it
in.
won't fit.
Oh, it will! Ah!
But you can't
Just.
see it anyway, what the hell.
Yeah, it's... Perhaps I'll just keep it like this, you know.
Just like
I don't know. It's awesome.
anyway.
Anyway.
Retard.
Awesome. I like it.
Good. Let's go home and mount this shit.
See, there are bolts missing because Magnat.
Why not?
There's one off. Success. One bolt off. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. Woo. There's one. Let's just put it, I don't know, here. What about if we change one today and one tomorrow?
Yeah.
This is the last one because the fourth one was missing. Is still missing. Was missing, I don't know. With bare hands I turned that on. Okay. Let's just see that.
Just the shoes.
Now walk me through this, son.
Well, red positive, black negative. That's probably the markings anyway.
Probably, maybe.
It doesn't even matter how you plug it in.
Nope, it's just not how it works.
Yes, it
It's
does.
just not how it works.
Yes, it does.
It's just not how it works. Or is it?
What the fuck?
I'm not a magician.
You're a retard, that's what you are.
Electricity is not my... I don't know what. It's not. That's your job now. So if it breaks, it's all your fault. That's it.
Well, yeah, you're gonna squeeze it a bit.
That's what she said.
Replacing speakers.
But I'm just gonna... Because fuck you.
Now shine some light on me.
Shining on the balls. What you gonna do now, bro? What you doing? Why you do that? Why? It's broken!
You're broken.
Your father was broken.
He still is.
Just push it on like your girlfriend, which you don't have. Push it.
Shut up. You lesbian, shut up. Why do we always do shit in the dark? We change oil in the dark, we fucking swap engines in the dark. What's next?
When did you swap engine?
Well, not yet, but if we would, it would probably the night with a fucking phone light.
So, it's supposed to be like this, I don't know. Lights up there. Okay, last one. Fuck it.
Nice.
Okay, so. Much quality. Can you see it like
It's good.
going out? The doors are going off.
The screws.
Oh my god!
I'm pretty sure the screws are too long.
Okay, look at. The doors are coming off.
Well, no shit, the screws are like super long.
Oh god. Why? Why, Lord?
Fine.
It's not fine.
Super. No, don't do it more. What the hell are you doing?
Look at that shit! Look at the gap, dude!
Well, don't screw it so much.
Look at the gap! Oh my god, no! It's like I can fit my. Oh Christ! just won't work. Just won't work. It just won't work. No.
New light, absolutely incredible.
And new screws.
New screws.
Drieselhosen, whatever. Drie something German. And we hope this works. Because if it doesn't, we are fucked. Oh my god, so many screws.
Damn sure, dude.
Now it doesn't even hold it.
Well, that's good. Chopping screws, that's what we do.
Where is it now? Really? Just fuck off. And it's gone.
We'll find it. Our incredible system is almost complete.
Yeah.
Shortened screws, washers, all this.
So it's on and it won't go off.
Yay to the next one.
We only have 3 screws, but yeah, you know what they say. Fuck it. I just hope shit doesn't burn down the car or something. Okay, let's drill this motherfucker out. Look, all bolts in. Woo. Second. Third and fourth. Okay. What's he gonna do? Yes. Tighten it up. Okay, is it holding? It holds. Should I do the 4th one? Because, yeah, I should do the 4th one as well. Give me light.
Well, use the fucking screw thing, it's magnet anyway.
Oh yeah! God, you're so smart. A new magnet. Oh God, that went well. Here's the light. It went better than planned. Where is it now? You little fucking shit bitch. Where's the screw now? Where did I put it? Get it in. Okay. It's working. It's working. Now let's just
Activate the music.
the moment of truth. Come on.
Yay! Incredible. Works.
Okay, let's clean this shit up.
Oh my god, look at this mess. Fuck you, I'm going home. I'm cold and I'm all scared.